art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Noobini Pizzanini from Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the top with the eyes. So from the center, stepping over on the left, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. Now let's move across, coming over on the right, we're going to draw in another oval, leaving a gap right in the middle. On the top now, let's draw in another oval for the highlight of the eye. And we'll do this on both eyes. And then we're just going to color in our pupil black. Underneath, let's draw in a smiley face now. So we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line. And now let's draw in the pizza on the top. So from the middle here, stepping right into the middle of the eyes. Up above, we're going to curve this line around and through. And then we're going to step over on the right, blending that in, curving that background and up, ending that at roughly the same height. Now on the top, let's continue to round this out. So we're going to curve this around and through towards the center. And then we're going to step across on the right hand side, replicating that, bringing that over and through towards the middle. Let's move back in on the top. We're going to again curve this around and up on the side. And then again, starting from the left hand side here, we're going to curve this line over, bringing that down on the right. Now let's move up. We're going to draw in some of the pepperoni here. So we're going to draw in a circle right in the middle. We're going to move over to the left-hand side, replicating that. Let's move closer towards the top now. We're going to draw in another one further back. We're going to do the exact same thing right in the middle here. Let's do the same as we move down across on the right hand side now. And then one more as we come up. Now let's draw on the head. So on both sides here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom, ending this at the same height. Let's round out the corner, curving that around and then flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side, just blending that line back in together. Now on the top here, we're going to, from the side, draw in a diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then we're just going to connect this back together with a straight line. Now from here, for the body, again, two straight lines coming down towards the bottom. And then we're going to flatten the square out, connecting that together, closing that off. Let's come out on the top. So from the back here, we're going to draw in a straight line coming directly across. Let's draw in a small diagonal line coming down, ending that at the same height as the line in the corner on the inside. Now from here, let's flatten that out, bringing that in. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. And then we're going to flatten this out, bringing this across towards the torso. In the middle for the legs now, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming directly down. We'll do the exact same thing, stepping over on the left and right-hand side. And we're just going to end these all at the exact same height. And then now from here, we're just going to flatten this out, bringing this straight line directly across towards the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Noobini Pizzanini from Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.